my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. Today marks the 9th day of Advent, and because we're doing 12 days of glam, y'all, these days are going by way too fast. But don't worry, because the second half, our lead up to Christmas, there is still going to be so much holiday nail art. So don't you fear, the nail inspiration is here. Oh my goodness, without further ado, let's get into this magical box and see what's behind door number 9. For all of the returning viewers, I was wondering which day has been your favorite. I wanted to make sure that each day was so special and focused on a holiday nail art inspiration. Over the past 9 days, I have been freaking out. There is no Grinch present here. This has truly gotten me into the holiday spirit. Between the plaid and sweater nails and peppermint and all of the things in between, it has been the perfect lead up for all of the holiday festivities. Now, day number 9 is not slowing down, y'all. We got another cat eye. This is Copper Radiance, and the name says it all. Does not matter what you're seeing on the screen in front of you, I can guarantee you in person, it is 1,000 times more shimmery, bright. I was losing it over this, though it looks like it has a subtle shift. As soon as that light source hits it, pure magic, like a light illuminating from within. So I thought, with the depth that a cat eye can create, what better holiday nail than some 3D baubles? We are doing Christmas ornaments, y'all. So right now I'm just mapping out the holiday ornament, and then we are going to go right into waving that magical magnetic wand so that we can see this polish come to life. Do you see this? I feel like I just want to scream, do my eyes deceive me? This is just so magical. And the base color that I'm using for today, One Way Ticket, that was actually from last year's advent calendar. Throughout this series, I have been putting nods to other goodies found throughout the past 3 years, this being the 4th, and I am just blown away. This is all of the color therapy, holiday magic, just all of the good things wrapped up into one. We seriously need a magic counter for how many times I say it, because there is no better word. I truly feel like fairy dust was sprinkled up in here, and sugar plum, these 2 Christmas cat eyes. This is seriously year-round material. Does not matter when you put these on your phalanges, you will just be shimmering and shining for the heavens. Now, with this holiday ornament, I really wanted to show you that you could use a mix of hand painting and stickers to get insanely cute ornaments. I can't get over how adorable that bunny is. Now, one of my nail sisters, Danelle, she is absolutely obsessed with bunnies. So the entire time I'm like, these are just Danelle's Christmas ornaments that I'm creating right now. And I could not do this set without this silver paint. This paint, first of all, you don't just need it for the holidays, but this is so beautiful for finishing touches. And again, that has the no wipe formula, so you don't have to worry. I'm already working on a matte background with the velvet matte, so you can place your line work anywhere you want, and you don't have to be concerned going back in with a thin liner brush and top coat, because it's already built into the formula. What I think is really fun about this design is there are so many ways you can go into it. So for this particular design, I wanted it to be very dimensional, especially with the Copper Radiance. I wanted you to be able to see the shimmer and dazzle of that cat eye, and I didn't want to cover it up too much, but in the same aspect, I did want to make a little holiday scene. But with these ornaments, you can just go buck wild. You can literally use glitter and fine lines to create your ornament. You can use chromes. It's honestly up to your taste which kind of ornament you'd like to create, but the sky is the limit with this. As long as you get these little parts down, you will have the most stinking adorable looking ornaments. And also, even though I'm using Madame Glam's Builder Gel, you can feel free to use acrylic, you can use poly gel, solid extension gel, anything you want to form those baubles out. The only reason why I actually went towards the Builder Gel is the clarity. And I'm not saying those other options aren't clear, but there is something so magnificent when you do 3D art with Builder Gel. It's like looking through glass. It is even more clear than ice, than all of the things. It's just so pretty. There is no words, my beautiful nail family. I am just bubbling with all of the excitement. This has been such a huge love project, and I really have been trying to, each day of Advent, bring something fresh and new and inspirational so that you can either put it all together and create a set, or use just one of the tutorials and just do a really pretty holiday inspired set. So I really hope you enjoyed today, day 9, featuring Copper Radiance, the most stunning, gorgeous cat eye. Thank you guys so much for coming into today's video. No matter where this video found you, I pray it found you so well. And remember, do all things with love. See you in tomorrow's video. Mwah.